Remember that you are on live.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Jingry1990 once again. And joining me once again is Festus. Say hello, Festus.
Excelsior!
Yes.
Welcome back, friends.
Yes, after like 3 long months, we're gonna continue this finally.
It's been too long. I've been aching to get some Festus out.
Yes. And for those who have missed us, you have no life. No, I'm kidding. Alright, I kind of forgot what we're supposed to be doing now. We're going... Oh yeah, okay. We gotta go back to the Avenger tournament and unlock some, like, and get some points so we can move to the next planet.
Alright, let's go!
Yes!
Let's do that! Yeah!
Yes!
Wow!
Having fun.
Steroids!
Okay, so yeah, it's been 3 long months. I bet you've been wondering, what are we doing? I have been on vacation. Very long vacation. And then Festus has also been on vacation. So, okay, let me see. Okay, first what we're going to do is Perfect Chrome Finish. A seasoned gladiator laughs at oh, screw it, I can't get hit. I don't feel like reading.
In my off time, I've been running around in circles with my tiny wife going,
Dude, don't get hit. That's all you have to do is not get hit.
not get hit. Okay.
Just live.
I can do this.
Better gun. I need a better gun. Okay.
I have dual vipers.
You're lucky.
We have silly magma cannon.
Whoa, almost got hit. I almost got hit. If we mess up on any of these...
That was
Festus!
That was me, sorry.
Alright, we screwed up. Well, Festus screwed up. If we mess up on any of these, it will be this one. Because Festus doesn't know how to... Okay, fine. He knows how to aim. He just doesn't know how to get hit. How not to get hit.
I can aim, I can just miss.
You aim and miss with perfect precision.
Yes. Okay, I can do this. Yeah. Like Resident Evil 4. Yeah, exactly like Resident Evil 4. So, oh my god, all these zombies, what am I gonna do? Chicken!
Just chase after the chicken. Festus!
Sorry, it was lasers. I'm sorry.
Festus! Come on, give me the new Viper. You stuck with them.
Fine.
Use the magna cannon. It just shoots everything.
Fine.
Hurry up, switch to it. That's...
Okay, magna cannon.
Okay, here we go. Yeah! Just don't get hit. That's all you have to do is not get hit.
Or
You know, it seemed like it'd be easy, but no, Festus just sucks at this.
be surprised.
Watch it, laser.
Yes.
Ah! Whoa! I almost got hit. Before anybody asks, we're playing on this on a contestant mode.
Oh, no.
It's basically, switch weapons, switch to something. Oh shoot, this thing. Yay! We're playing this on contestant mode.
Yeah,
Which is basically normal.
I have an obliterator.
Good, use it. It's basically a grenade launcher.
No.
Whoa.
Boom. Boom.
Oh crap. Watch out for those turns. Oh, I'm empty too.
Oh, great. All I have...
Oh no!
Yeah. Sorry, I was trying to keep
You
away.
fell off the edge.
All I have is a fusion rifle.
You use the wrench.
True.
You have a wrench.
I forgot about the
Use
wrench.
it.
I'm so used to going boom boom. I didn't think about going swipe swipe. Boom boom and swipe. Yeah.
Interesting.
Kind of like that tiki up from Night at the Museum. Boom boom. Glub glub or whatever he said.
Glub glub.
I don't know what he said.
He said boom boom.
You give me cocoa. Go boom boom. You give me cocoa.
I like that movie.
Me too.
Festus, come on.
Oh man, we're probably gonna have to edit some of this out.
We're probably gonna not end up doing this challenge. We're gonna give this one more try.
Do we have to do this challenge?
No, we don't have to, but we're gonna give it one more try. We came really close last time.
Whoa, that was close. You give me cocoa. Like, I have one of those little McDonald's toys, you know, where you take like a little card, you swipe it, and they go, you give me cocoa. Boom, 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 boom. I'm like, so much fun. Just at McDonald's, like,
Give me
awesome. Give me cocoa. Bubble gum. Glub glub. Glub glub.
Watch the... I knew you were gonna get hit by that. We're not gonna do this challenge.
Why am I always the one getting hit?
Because it's pretty obvious. You can't So we're gonna go back to the challenge.
This is fair. I'm always going to be short end of the stick.
Okay, close and personal. All we can use in this is our wrenches. So
Okay.
you can actually get hit in this one.
That sounds easy enough.
Let's use them. Come on, let's go. Okay. Wrenches. Which isn't that hard because all it's just a bunch of these swarming things.
This is a wrench! Yeah, we don't have cool blinds, so we just...
Hold on, let's do this. Leroy
Jenkins!
They're everywhere.
Ah!
Like zombies in Left 4 Dead, they're everywhere.
Good thing you don't have wrenches in that.
Actually, in Left 4 Dead 2, there's supposed to be melee weapons.
Fun.
Yes. A ship!
Did you use vehicles in that game?
I don't know if you can or not. That's all I've heard is the... That's all I've heard is the... Like the chainsaw and the axe. Which will make things definitely more interesting.
Yes, very good. As far as they give you, like, vehicles in Left 4 Dead, it ends up being like AT-AT walkers from Star Wars.
Whoa!
Sweet!
Die, tanks! Actually, I think the tanks could probably break them. What's behind you?
Hit me! The little zombie dog bit me. Stupid.
Zombie dog.
Yeah, well, whatever it was. Interesting. I call it a zombie dog.
Ow. Yeah, knocked you off. Dude, watch the big turn. Ow. Well, it's not really a big turn. Itty bitty turn. Beat the crap out of him. Oh, crap. He's charging his lasers.
Dodging his fireballs. He's firing his fireballs. And... Okay. You don't know what that was? That was Jimmy from World of Warcraft.
Yeah, I hate that. Sure. It was dumb. It was like 10 minutes of my life wasted. All for some stupid game. It was horrible. It sucked.
Whoa! That looks like a transformer.
It is. It's Optimus Prime.
Whoa!
Kill it!
Yeah, if anybody's seen the new one, Optimus Prime looks freaking awesome at the end. It is cool. Because, like, at first he gets killed, but then he's like, oh, gets brought back to life with a little crystal thing.
You do realize I went to see a movie recently, and instead of going to see a cool action-packed movie, you know what I went and see?
What'd you see?
Harry Potter. I had to go see Get Harry Potter.
Really?
Ooh, okay, here we go. 2 planets I'm on. Shar and Orxon.
You should have went to see Transformers, because it was awesome.
My family took me to see Harry Potter. I didn't want to see Get Harry Potter.
There was a lot more action, there was a lot more cursing, and there was a lot more comedy.
I know. I wish I could have went to see that. Okay, so now we have 2 new planets to go to. Planet Shar, which is cold. It's kind of like Hoth, only not so cool. And then there's Orxon, an oil planet. Let's go.
Not like we want the monsters.
Let's go. Come on, hurry up. What if we can buy any new weapons? Ooh, we can. Rocket launcher. We're buying a rocket launcher and let's buy the shield. Yay. And wrench upgrade. Still no morphing mod.
I want that morphing mod.
Let's go. Yay. And away I go.
Hey, take me with you.
Okay, let's do Shar first. Let's get the painful one out of the way. Interesting, Festus.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
We use something fast.
Sorry, I gotta do what I gotta do.
You don't have to do anything.
I have to.
You don't have to do anything. You don't have to burp. You don't have to do any of that. So here we are at Planet Hoth. I mean, Shar.
They accidentally bumped like the Enterprise from Star Trek. Whoa, where'd that come?
We hit something.
I think I'm floating off into deep space. Oh no!
Oh, it's a completely white planet. It's interesting. You think it's something else?
What are you suggesting exactly?
Could be dandruff.
Ew!
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Dandruff planet sick.
Okay, so hang on. There should be one more weapon we can buy, actually. Yes, there it is. It's a mace. It's called a scorpion.
Mace.
coil.
It goes.
Okay, hang on. Let's get our weapons sorted out now.
Okay.
I call the dual vipers.
Fine.
And the rocket launcher and the sniper rifle. You get everything else. Let's go!
Fine. I call everything else.
Let's go. What are you doing?
Hey, so for some reason I get the dual vipers. I have the dual vipers.
Fine, I have them.
Okay.
Here, I'll hack them.
I have a crack my head.
I'll hack them. You don't have to worry, I'll hack go. There we go. Hacking.
Oops.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
Hacking. Say defend me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hacking. Hacking. Like a nerd. Let's go. Ship.
I have dual wipers.
You're lucky.
We have silly magma cannon.
Whoa, whoa, almost got hit. I almost got hit.
Whoa.
If we mess up on any of these,
That was
Festus.
That was me. Sorry.
Alright, we screwed up. Well, Festus screwed up. If we mess up on any of these, it will be this one, because Festus doesn't know how to.
Remember that you were on live.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Jingry1990 once again. And joining me once again is Festus. Say hello, Festus.
Excelsior.
Yes.
Welcome back, friends.
Yes, after like 3 long months, we're gonna continue this finally.
It's been too long. I've been aching to get some Festus out.
Yes. And for those who have missed us, you have no life. No, I'm kidding. Alright, I kind of forgot what we were supposed to be doing now. We're going... Oh yeah, okay. We gotta go back to the Avenger tournament and unlock some, like, and get some points so we can move to the next planet.
Alright, let's go.
Yes.
Let's do that. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Having fun.
Steroids.
Okay, so yeah, it's been 3 long months. I bet you've been wondering, what are we doing? I have been on vacation. Very long vacation. And then Festus has also been on vacation. So, okay, let me see. Okay, first one we're gonna do is Perfect Girl Finish. A seasoned gladiator laughs at oh, screw it, we can't get hit. I don't feel like reading.
In my off time, I've been running around circles with my tiny wife going,
Dude, don't get hit. That's all you have to do is not get hit.
not get hit. Okay.
Just live.
I can do
Whoa.
this.